Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, just showing a quick update to the Strike app. We have a small update to the navigation, a nice little improvement. If you remember when they did their large update about a month ago, there's a big button here at the bottom, and you use that to toggle between cash and Bitcoin. They've gone ahead, got rid of that button, and now at the bottom of the screen, we just see a tab for cash or Bitcoin. You can click on which one you want. This is a solid improvement, clears up a lot of confusion. I think some things that they tried to do with this design update were just a little too minimal, and people were probably confused where things went within the app. So this is easy. People see Bitcoin and they can just click on it and get where they need to go. I think they could even improve it a little more, put a little white line across the top of that navigation there to kind of separate it a little bit, or make the background color of the navigation a little bit different than the background color of the main app to separate it a little bit. But it's a good improvement already. I'm gonna go ahead and buy my $1 of Bitcoin today. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, confirm. Just like that, I've purchased $1 of Bitcoin, increased my BTC balance to 0.00085, which is about $22 of Bitcoin right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and send this to my other wallet. Scroll down, tap send. You can send directly to another Strike user now as well. That's very interesting. You just type in their username there. But I need to send to a wallet, so I'm gonna do the QR code thing. I'm just going to use the paste feature at the bottom. Allow paste. It's already pasted in the address that I copied. Tap max. And now we have some fee options on Strike as well. So looks like there's quite a few changes. I don't want to pay any fee. I'm not paying priority. I'm not paying standard. So I'm just going to choose flexible, no fee, get it within 12 hours. I don't mind waiting. Tap next. Here is our order details and tap confirm. Send initiated, and that Bitcoin is on its way to my other wallet. Tap OK and we're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video showing the Strike app update. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.